Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Happens to be another one of our custom-built LS engines, 427 cubic inch model. Makes over 700 horsepower, about 660 foot-pounds of torque. Again, we custom build each and every engine. If you have a color you'd like me to paint it, that's included in price. I'll custom paint the motor for you, or I can leave it all natural aluminum. But again, this one, you can put coil packs on top or on the sides. This customer had to choose. The coil packs on the sides. Again, we got our Phi-Tech EFI in here. We got a full boat march system on this. All engines are custom built to order. These are phenomenal engines. And I'll tell you what, we're putting some great packages together. So again, if you're interested in one of our packages, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Thank you.
Fire up nice, don't they? Alright, let's give her a whirl. Idle will come back down nice. I think it just climbed again. Yep. Still learning. 730 horsepower. Nice. 635 foot-pounds. Wow. Real nice motor, man. Very cool.